I'm going on holiday in a few days and I wanted a new bag to take with me, so I thought I would show you how I made it. So I made 3 granny squares, all the same size, and mine are 14 rows and they measure approximately 35 centimetres. These are just a regular granny square, but usually I would do a chain 1 on the side in between each 3 cluster, but I didn't on these to make it a little bit tighter. I did chain 2 in the corners and I used a 4.5mm hook, and this is cotton Aran yarn, mostly Yarn and Colours Epic cotton yarn. So once you've got your 3 granny squares to the size you want them, you want to fold them in half diagonally, and this is how you will put it all together. And you're going to crochet along here and down the other side, and along here and up the other side. So I've got my first 2 granny squares and I've put them right side facing, and I'm just going to double crochet along this first edge. So once I've done one side crocheted together, then going to get my next square and I'm then going to crochet along there. You should then end up with something like this. I'm going to flip it over. So this piece will come up there and these 2 will come in at the sides. I haven't actually fastened off yet, so I'm just going to carry on and go up there and down there. Once you've done that, you should end up with something like this. For the strap, I joined into the top of the chain 2 corner space and I did 2 double crochets, and I did 60 rows of that, and I've left it open. So I did that on both sides, and then I double crocheted around the whole bag to finish it off and make it nice and neat. I did 2 separate straps so I could tie it in a bow and adjust the length of the strap. And here's the finished bag.